Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your immunity with nature made easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather your materials and choose a quiet space for your tutorial. Begin by introducing the concept of immunity and its importance to overall health. Next, outline the benefits of using nature-made supplements to boost your immune system. Show the different types of supplements available, such as vitamin C, D, and zinc. Explain the role of each supplement in supporting immune health. Then, demonstrate how to choose high-quality nature-made products. Look for third-party testing and certifications on the labels. After that, explain the importance of reading ingredient lists. Emphasize avoiding artificial additives and fillers for the best results. Now, move on to daily dosage recommendations for each supplement. Use visuals to highlight the suggested amounts based on age and health conditions. Next, show how to maintain a balanced diet rich in immune-boosting foods. Incorporate fruits like oranges, berries, and leafy greens into your meals. Discuss the role of hydration in supporting a healthy immune system. Encourage drinking plenty of water and herbal teas daily. Now, explain the importance of regular exercise in boosting immunity. Suggest activities like walking, yoga, or dancing. Emphasize the value of stress management techniques such as meditation or deep breathing. Introduce the concept of sleep hygiene. Highlight tips for ensuring quality sleep every night. Finally, encourage viewers to consult with healthcare professionals before starting new supplements. Conclude by summarizing the key points discussed in the tutorial. Reinforce the connection between nature-made supplements and a stronger immune system. End the tutorial with a motivating message about taking charge of your health naturally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.